Emus, the flightless birds native to Australia, are known for their long necks and zebra-like plumage. But there's much more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. Emu eggs are the largest of any living bird species, often reaching up to 12 inches 30 centimeters in length and weighing up to 5 pounds, 2.3 kilograms. Despite their size, they're capable of rolling the egg with their feet to move it short distances when necessary. Emus have an unusual digestive system, with a 3-chambered stomach, which allows them to eat a wide variety of food. They're omnivorous, feeding on vegetation, insects, and even small vertebrates. The emu's morphology is adapted for running, not flying. They can reach speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour, over short distances, making them one of the fastest birds on land. Their long, powerful legs can reach up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters, in height, making them intimidating to potential predators. Emus have excellent memories, and they've been observed to remember the location of water sources for months, making them crucial for desert survival. They also communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, hisses, and screams. Emus played a significant role in Australia's history. Indigenous Australians used emu eggs as a food source and the feathers for clothing and tools. Later, European settlers utilized emus for meat and leather. In modern times, emus are farmed for their meat and leather, and are a popular attraction in zoos and wildlife parks around the world. They are also a symbol of Australia and can be found on the Australian coat of arms. Emus have been domesticated in some parts of the world, but they can be difficult to manage due to their wild and independent nature. They are protected in many countries, including Australia, making it illegal to hunt or harm them without a permit. In conclusion, emus are fascinating creatures with a rich history and adaptable biology. Their unique characteristics, from their large eggs to their speed and memory, make them a captivating addition to the animal kingdom. Understanding emus not only broadens our knowledge of the natural world but also deepens our appreciation for these remarkable birds.